Hey everybody, Jason Seibel here. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Today is hump day, so I thought it would be a perfect day to do a video for Homebuyer 101. And today's video is going to be about the DNA of an interest rate and how it's decided, comes together. I have clients all the time ask me, well, why is my rate 4.25 when my neighbor's is 3.75? Or maybe it's a quarter point, or why is mine lower and my neighbor's higher? There's a very specific reason why rates vary from person to person. So let's talk about how that all began, the what, where, when, why. So let's start in 1938 when mortgages were first written. Everybody got the same interest rate. Didn't matter down payment, credit score, any of that. And that model ran all the way until 2009. By the 1990s, we had a secondary source of loans called subprime. Those were people who couldn't qualify traditionally, a lot of times small business owners, people who maybe didn't have a strong credit, and there was very much risk modeling going on with those loans. In 2009, when Fannie and Freddie just about went belly up and the government came in and took over, they decided to forensically go look and see why were loans defaulting. And when they went and looked at the metrics, what they found is loans with high loan to value, meaning low down payments and low credit scores, had a higher propensity to default than others. So what they did, the new Fannie and Freddie guidelines rolled out what's called loan level price adjustments. This is risk-based pricing. So there's more than 30 variables that impact an interest rate now. Okay, so it's really like a car insurance model. So in a world where you have a clean driving record and I have 2 tickets in an accident, it's generally accepted that I'm going to have a higher car insurance premium than you. Well, the new model for lending applies something very similar than the car insurance industry. So now there's over 30 different factors and variables which can impact your interest rate. So if everything from credit score to property type to is it owner occupied, is it an investment property, but in this day and age, that is why each loan is evaluated case by case. Everybody has their own DNA, and you could see an interest rate vary from an owner occupied on a 15-year fixed to a non-owner occupied with a low down payment and a low credit score. You can see a 2% swing in rates. So I have a slide specifically to talk about this in my buyer consultation packet. If anybody is interested in seeing a copy of that, I'd love to send it. Let me know by text, email, phone. Otherwise, until next time, thank you so much. I hope you have an awesome day.